Monogram 55 Chevy Bel Air, Street Machine 2-in-1, 1/25th scale plastic model kit, level 4. Hobby Lobby had 40% off, so this actually wound up only costing me like 19 bucks. So let's check it out and see what's inside. 92 pieces. You can build it two ways. It's got a gasser style straight front axle, although it does not have fender well headers, but I think I will do fender well headers, and I plan on actually we'll see how it turns out, but I plan on cutting the front end and making a tilt front end. Never done it before. Let's give it a try, because the plan is to make it a I don't want to build two of these, but I like American Graffiti Bob Falfa's 55 Chevy, and I like the 55 Chevy in 2-lane blacktop, although that movie isn't quite as good. But I didn't want to build two, so I think I might make one that is a mashup of the two. So I was thinking, like, the front half I could do 2-lane blacktop with that mailbox hood scoop and the primered front end, and then do the back half in the gloss black, maybe. In any case, I think I might have some extra parts. This kit has a blower. The 2-lane blacktop and the American Graffiti car have a big block tunnel ramp. If you want to be correct about it. Here's the glass. Let's put this right here. Put this right here. Glass. We're not going to open that right now, but we will open this body. Also, if you notice on the Graffiti and blacktop car, the side trim is taken off, shaved. So I'd probably have to Dremel this off to be totally correct, which maybe I'll do. I don't know, we'll see how ambitious I get. Nice quality. Very good quality, of course. Keep that there. Tires, how many tires do we got? Drag slicks. And maybe some skinnies up front. That's definitely what we're gonna use. But it looks like we're gonna have to, maybe in the decals, there's white letters. They'd look good with white letters for sure. What's next? Chassis and interior, it looks like. Okay, so the hood already has the hole in it. So I'll have to make a scoop somehow, maybe some extra parts off another car. But yeah, save some trouble. And then I'm sure with the dimensions of the 55 Chevy, if you've ever seen a real one, you can fit a lot of intake underneath even the stock hood. So we get a nice big tunnel ram on there to look good. So because it's a mashup of the two movie cars, 2-lane blacktop car did not have a rear seat. You know, it was more of a stripped down drag car. Whereas Bob Falfa seemed to be quite the ladies' man, so we'll make sure we put a back seat in the car. We don't want to hold down any of the action. I don't like this, the exhaust molded into the chassis, because I was planning on doing finding a fender well header and trying to do like a simple exhaust out. So I don't know what I'll do about that. Maybe just paint it black. Buckets. Engine transmission all one piece. with the starter and oil filter already attached. Water pump as well. I guess that's fine. I prefer it a little more, putting it together a little more myself. You get a little better detail with the painting and stuff. Here's the dash. Looks great. Radiator console. Big old battery. These must be the leaves for the, maybe the rear. I think the fronts are chrome, but I'm not sure. Diff. Traditional headers. Wheels. 5 torque thrust style wheels. Not 5 wheels, 5 spoke torque thrust style wheels. That's probably what we'll use. Those are sharp. Maybe paint the middle with an aluminum color to kind of get a little more authentic look. Chrome grill trim. We'll use that. Faster with chrome, of course. A little chrome adds some horsepower. Yeah, so the front leaves are going to be chromed, so that's nice. Ladder bars chromed, beautiful. Nice suspension, so we'll use all that. Good racing wheel. We're not going to use the butterfly scoop. We'll use 2 velocity stacks. I think there was just 2 small air cleaners in the movie car. There's the blower. So we'll see what we have on hand. We'll still use the hood ornament. I cannot resist a good hood ornament. Rear bumper. There's no front bumper in this kit. So be aware of that if you're looking to use it to build like a stock race car. You might want to get the kit from AMT. These 5-slot mags are nice. We'll keep those for another project. All right, let's take a look at the decals and the directions. Decals. Your patriotic, American hero, or under pressure. Chevy Speed Shop. I'm not sure if we'll use any of these. Okay, so there does have decals for the sticker, for the tires. We will use those. We probably use that license plate USA one because it's cool. Seat belt decals. That's a nice bit of detail. Maybe we'll use a bow tie somewhere on it. Maybe on the back window or something like that. We'll see. And the directions. Let's take a look. Paints. Standard, building the engine first. Let me take a look at that exhaust again. And it just goes to the... we'll figure that out. There you have it. Monogram. 1955 Chevy Bel Air, 1/25th scale model. Thanks for watching.